Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, I'll be discussing how to fix the CI error code on your Bosch washing machine. But first, what does the CI error mean? This error code indicates the child lock feature has been activated. The following are some of the causes of the error: child protection and accidental activation. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the error. Reverse the settings. Press and steadily hold the RPM and the Finished In buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. You'll then hear a beep sound and the CI symbol will disappear. Alternatively, press the Start button for about 5 seconds. There will be a beep sound and the child lock symbol, or CI, will disappear. For a more advanced Bosch washing machine, there is a lit square-shaped button with 3 seconds written below it. Press this button for 3 seconds, thereby causing the button to darken, followed by a beep sound indicating the child lock has been disabled. Read the manual. To reduce regular accidental setting activation, read the manual after purchasing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.